frick. I need to do work on my car. I gotta activate my mechanic. Damn it! It's too cold. I need to get a battery disconnect to fix it.
You know what time it is?
Battery disconnection time!
We gotta do the intermittent banter where the music starts and the subscribe thing plays.
Ah, okay.
You know?
Yeah.
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 And your beard looks like shit today.
Fuck you!
Just kidding. That was just for the video.
Sure it was, asshole. Damn, my beard kind of does look like shit, though.
I was kidding.
When it comes to my beard, dude, I'm like a high school girl who is having a bad hair day.
All right, everybody. It's that time again. We were going to do a big thing to the Civic, but it's cold as shit. So instead, we're going to do something that I've wanted to do for a long time. Battery disconnect switch. The Civic sits a lot of the time, and every single time I need to start it, it's dead as fuck. So this was the simplest solution. It's from Harbor Freight, and it was $4, I think. And then Harbor Freight sells a $7 option with an actual switch. We're gonna put one of those on the Blazer at a later date because the Blazer's got some dying issues too because I don't drive it enough, even though we solved the battery drain. Still turns out that when you don't drive it ever, it kind of dies. Sag.
Let's get in video.
This is actually marketed as an anti-theft device. Now, if the car thief is kind of an idiot, they probably won't know what to do with it, but if the car thief is any kind of mechanic at all, they'll probably know to check the battery, especially when the car they're trying to steal has no power. So I'm not sure this is as much of a theft deterrent device as it is just a save your battery device. So I don't know, we'll find out. You need to connect it to the negative battery terminal. So negative. I'm just gonna cut this guy. Yum. That's our old negative terminal. We're replacing the whole terminal. Now I need to strip this wire back a bit so that we can cram it in that thing. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the confusion I have with this product. It looks like there's supposed to be like a screw or something that goes through here to hold the wires. So I'm thinking this is like a softer metal that's supposed to be crushed, but I'm not sure. So we're gonna have to figure it out. So the way it works is you tighten it, these two things are clamped and they're good to go. You loosen it and they lose connection, I guess. Kind of cool, super simple. I like how cheap it was. That was kind of a W. Yeah, let's strip that wire and then try to cram this on there, I guess. Look at that. One more time. I need something to crush this, but I also want to see if it's crushable first. Oh. I don't know if that's the solution we're looking for.
I told him to look it up beforehand and he did.
Oh,
And now he's got to make up for it. Because he fucked up.
oh, what?
Because he didn't look it up. Even though I told him to.
Hey. Mistake Simon here. It's my favorite type of Simon.
You want to speak up a little bit?
No. I now need to repair this via something. Hi guys. Fix my terminal. This is Life Lesson Simon that you're talking to now. It's one of my favorite Simons. It's when he humbly approaches you and explains to you a dumb thing he did and then tells you not to ever rush into things. You always need to like have a plan and like know the outcome, especially when you're working on cars. There has not been a single time in my life where I just went into something blind and was like, yep, it all worked out, yay. It has always been like, wow, that was catastrophic and I wasted a ton of my time and sometimes a ton of my money because I'm too fucking stupid to just follow directions or like do research. No, can't be fucked to do all that. So here I am repairing a battery terminal that I shouldn't have had to repair. I shouldn't have ever taken it off, but I got a little too happy with the fucking clippers. I will also mention though, the packaging has literally no description or picture of what the fuck you're supposed to do. So I was a little frustrated with that as well. Life Lesson Simon is done complaining. Now we're back to the cool mod. I should probably get a ranch. Are you a 12, my boy? Or an 11, maybe Harbor Freight. Nope, they understand. 13? No. I was worried there for a sec. 12, no shot. Nope, I refuse to believe that. We're gonna go to the standard wrenches and find out why you should still have standard wrenches. 1/2 inch, fits every time. What the fuck? Harbor Freight. Not everybody has an old Ford with standard equipment. I'm gonna do this part first, I think. Okay. Thinking we're gonna go at it from this angle. So yes, the way you're supposed to do this, guys, you're supposed to put your terminal, your old terminal, on the back of this guy. Here we are, doing this shit. by hand in the snow. I'm not doing that. Whoops, ran out of fuck to give. Nice work. I got bad news for you. Your car's a front wheel drive, you fucking idiot. Nice donut. In essence, how this is supposed to work is you loosen this and it separates the fittings and now the battery's disconnected. Then you tighten it and it's connected again. So the question is now, does this work? I'm gonna turn the ignition on and look for lights.
All right, loosening. Tightening.
Nice, look at that. We're all better. Lastly, you guys might be wondering, hey man, are you sure this car doesn't have a drain? And to that I answer, I know it has a drain because those fog lights we installed oh so long ago, the illumination on the button in the cab always stays on. We wired it to an always on. I don't remember what we wired it to, but we wired it to an always on. So yes, there is always an LED light on in the car. So instead of fixing that, I did this and blamed the cold. You're welcome. Do you want to be the lightning or the thunder this time?
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to check out some of our other stuff.
Yeah, the gaming channel is alive and well again. And we're
soon to be.
Yeah, we're gonna be streaming a couple different things here on Grid Engine and also over there.
I'm currently working on the next gaming video.
Yeah,
it's not up yet,
Not
but
yet.
I am working on it.
It'll be it. It's kind of a W.
See you later.